Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing a very simple but a very pretty and a peaceful watercolor painting. So I will only be showing you what all colors we would need, but the rest of the painting is very self-explanatory. So I hope you will enjoy painting this, and let's go ahead and check out the supplies we would need for it. I've taken a 300 GSM watercolor paper from the brand Canson. And the color palette, I'll tell you the colors that I have already mixed prior. We'll need a white gel pen, with that a black gel pen, and I have taken number 6 flat brush. You can take a round brush. Along with that, number 11 round brush and a flat brush. So let me show you the colors. I have mixed in a pink color. We would need this. Also a lemon yellow color. A cerulean blue color. With that a purple color. And the last color we would need is a cobalt blue color mixed in with white to make the sky. So these are the only 5 colors we would need, and let's go ahead and begin the painting. So wasn't this an easy tutorial, guys? I hope you enjoyed watching it and you will also be making it. If you do, kindly tag me on Instagram at Easy Paintings by Ishita and we can directly get in touch over there. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you all have a lovely day, and do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, click the bell icon so that you get notified for all the uploads, and stay tuned with another tutorial. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye bye.